Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi QR code on your laptop. First, ensure your laptop has a functional camera or a reliable QR code scanning application installed. Next, locate the Wi-Fi QR code you wish to use. This could be on a router, a printed document, or displayed on another device. Having these ready will make the connection process quick and seamless. To scan the code, open your laptop's built-in camera application or your preferred QR code scanner. Hold the QR code steady, ensuring it's well lit and centered within the camera's view. Most applications will automatically detect and process the code within a few seconds, typically under 5 seconds, once it's in focus. After a successful scan, your laptop will display the network name, also known as the SSID, and often the security type. Carefully review these details to ensure they match the intended network. Then, simply click the Connect or Join button. Your laptop should then establish a connection, typically within 10 to 15 seconds, allowing you to access the internet. If you encounter issues, first check for adequate lighting and a clear, undamaged QR code. Blurry or torn codes can be difficult to read. If problems persist, consider trying a different QR code scanning application, as some offer better performance. As a last resort, you can always manually enter the network name and password, which are usually found on the router itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.